Hi. Have you or your loved one been injured in a car wreck by a cast transportation 18-wheeler? Well, my name is attorney Reshard Alexander, and I'm known as the Big Rig Bull Texas truck accident lawyer. I help injury victims receive the care and compensation they deserve when they've been injured by the negligence, recklessness, or intentional wrongdoing of motor carrier companies and/or their truck drivers. If you've been injured by a cast transportation 18-wheeler, give me a call today at 713-766-3322. That's 713-766-3322. Additionally, you can go to my website, HoustonTruckAccident.lawyer. That's HoustonTruckAccident.lawyer, and download your free ebook today titled Texas Car, Motorcycle, and Truck Accident Law: What the Injured Must Know. I wrote this with you in mind. So go to my website, HoustonTruckAccident.lawyer, and download your free ebook today. Then give me a call at 713-766-3322. I look forward to discussing your cast transportation 18-wheeler accident and helping you receive the care and compensation that you deserve.